Hi everyone, welcome to CMZ TV. In this video I'm gonna show you how to affiliate on Hotmart to recommend some products and get paid. So without wasting your time, let's go to the video. Click in the link that I will let you in the comment. The link will redirect you to this page. This is the interface of Hotmart. My friend, I hope you see the sign up button in the top right corner. I want you to click in this button. This page will appear to you. You're gonna choose if you wanna sign up your account using Google account or using your email. I just choose Google. So I gotta hide my personal information right here, my email. In the next step, you're gonna accept their terms. So click in accept button. Congratulations, my friend, you already signed it in Hotmart. In the next step, I want you to click right here. Hotmart will show you all these tools. I want you to choose the affiliate market. So in this stage, they will ask you to complete your registration. Click in this button. If you are liking this content, my friend, please drop your like and subscribe to the channel. Here you're gonna fill all your personal information. I'm gonna fill mine, so I will hide because I cannot expose my personal information. Enter your entity as any individual. So in this step, I want you to pay attention in this tax ID number. If you don't have a tax ID number, please re-enter your official ID number. So once you all set, hit the save change button. Here they will ask you to confirm your personal information. If everything is okay, please click in the yes button. In this moment, they are verifying my information, and here, as you can see, appear the products that I can recommend to start earning. If I click in one of them, let me click in this one. The second one, the amount is huge, is massive. uh, if I click in this one, for example, you're gonna see that they won't give me the link because they are still verifying everything. When everything is ready, so I'll start recommending the product. And few minutes later, Hotmart just approved my submission in the affiliate program. Everything I need to do now is just complete my profile. You're gonna click in this button in the top right corner to verify your profile, because Hotmart need to understand what kind of products I want to recommend. You're just gonna click in this one, add contact information. And if you are still here with me, my friend, please subscribe and let me know in the comment if you like this content. As you can see right here, I can choose how they can enter in contact with me. I can use WhatsApp, email, Telegram, etc, etc. Once you fill your contact, click and save. In the sales strategy, you're gonna choose what platform you use to recommend your product. If you use TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or etc, etc. In the topics of interest, I won't touch because any product can be good to recommend. I don't know, depend on the price. And just right here, you can add your promotional channels. This can be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, WhatsApp, etc, etc. You're gonna choose what promotional channel you wanna add right here. And please, I want to remind you something. It's very important. When you feel each step right here, you click in yes to save the information. After completing the registration, you're gonna be redirected to this page right here. As you can see, you can already start recommending products. You can choose what product you want to recommend to start earning. To get the link, you just click in the product. You see this button, this green one right here. You can choose this one to get you links. Here are the terms you're gonna accept to start getting your links. And here, Hotmart just generated your affiliate links. You're gonna copy this link and paste it anywhere you want to promote your product. In the next video, I'm gonna show you where and how you can promote your links for free. Please subscribe and join.